This is a quick video on how to make cream of wheat for dummies. So first what you want to do is you want to put 2 cups of water in a small pot. Then you want to turn the temperature up to max until the water starts boiling. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I have it on max, and just put a little sprinkle of salt in there. And as you can see, it's starting to heat up for me. So now all you have to do is wait for the water to boil. Don't stand there like an idiot waiting for the water to boil, because it'll just seem like it takes a lot longer than it really does. Okay, now that the water's boiling, you're just going to put 1/3 of a cup of cream of wheat in there. And you're going to bring down the temperature to about 3. Then you're just going to stir it until it thickens. Okay, now that it's thick, you're just going to take it off of the heat. You're going to let it cool off before you try to eat it, of course. And then you can add many things to this. You can add like maple syrup, you can just add brown sugar or white sugar, you can add jam, you can add many things in here to give it the different flavors that you desire. So that's how to make cream of wheat for dummies.